Pixel 9 Pro XL leak shows glossy sides and matte back, compared to Pixel 9 Gallery. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we dive into the latest Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro XL leaks. Pixaphone on TikTok shared two videos revealing pre-release hardware for these devices, marked as prototype units. The Pixel 9 features a glossy rear panel, while the 9 Pro XL sports a matte finish that resists fingerprints. Interestingly, the Pixel 9 Pro XL has shiny side rails, contrasting with the smaller Pixel 9's flat sides. Regulatory markings are found on the left edge, a distinction from recent US Pixel models. The Pixel 9 has a 6.24-inch screen, while the 9 Pro XL boasts a 6.73-inch display, offering a noticeable size difference. Another comparison video pits the Pixel 9 Pro XL against the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, highlighting the prominent camera bar.